Okay, let's try it again. Ah, balls. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. I started to work on my Tamiya Grasshopper here, and figured, hey, pick up the camera, kind of show you what I'm doing. Got this Velineon system. It's the 1/16 motor and ESC combo. I got this for the Tamiya Dancing Rider, but the motor was just a little bit too big, and I really didn't want to do any major modifications on the Dancing Rider, so I went with a different motor and ESC combo. So I have this laying around. I'm going to put this into my Grasshopper. Right now the Grasshopper has the Traxxas XL5 with a 540 I think it is, or 550 can, the brushed motor. So I'm going to take this out and get the new Velineon put in. So first things first, going to go ahead and take off this body. Alright, so the XL5 is just held on with some double side tape. I'll just simply pop that out. That's pretty easy actually. And then I'll go ahead and get the motor out. The motor's just held on with these two screws here. Alright, so the motor and the ESC are off. I'm going to go ahead and take the pinion off of the 12-turn motor. Because this Velineon motor is smaller, I'm going to go ahead and use this plate that comes with the Tamiya Grasshopper. This is to mount the smaller motor. Alright, so I got the motor, the plate, and the pinion on. Going to just go ahead and install this into the transmission. Alright, so the motor's in. Going to go ahead and put the ESC in. And looking at the wires that they give you, they're very short. So what I want to do is just go ahead and swap the positions of the receiver and the ESC. Alright, so everything's hooked up. I guess it's the moment of truth. Well, the ESC works, but I guess I gotta bind the radio up. Okay, that's better. Everything's working now. Well, everything's working except for the motor. Okay, so it wasn't working because this bigger pinion is actually used on the bigger motor. If you use a 540 or 550 motor, you use the bigger pinion. The stock motor comes with a 10-tooth pinion, but it's actually on the shaft and I can't get it off. There's no grub screw. It looks like it's just made as one piece. I don't have a 10-tooth, but I do have a 14-tooth. So I think this is what I'm going to go ahead and use. So, we'll see what happens. Actually, I found a 16-tooth pinion, which is similar in size to the 10-tooth. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. And, I don't know. If it blows up, it blows up. Alright, so we'll see what that did. Nothing. Wonderful. Yeah, so, this pinion's not going to work. Alright, so I think at this point I admit defeat. I do not have a 10-tooth Tamiya pinion, so yeah, gonna have to go ahead and order one. But as of right now, I give up. It's late, I'm tired, and yeah. But right now it's Tuesday night. These stickers will be in the mail tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So look out for these. They'll be mailed tomorrow morning, first thing. So they should be in your inbox, I don't know, a couple days. And besides that, I quit, so I don't know. If you liked it, go ahead and click the like button. There's not much to like, but maybe like the attempt. If you're not subscribed, you probably won't subscribe after watching this. And have a great day, great night, and catch you all soon. Later. Bye for now. Okay, let's try it again. Ah, balls.